Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have m divided by m is equals to m, and we solve this problem for all the values of m. So here first we need to find all the roots of this equation, and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution and which of the roots are extraneous roots. So further we solve this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these two methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And now we move towards the solution of this problem from first method. Here you see that this m is divided by left hand side. When we move it into the right hand side, it is multiplied by m, and it will be written as m is equals to m multiplied by m. And now in the next step we have m is equals to m multiplied by m becomes here m square. And now here in the next step we move the term m from left hand side to the right hand side, and it will be written as m square minus m is equals to 0. And further you see here both of these two terms involve m, so that we will be take common m from here, and when we take common m we get the remaining values are from here we get m only, minus from here we get 1, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now in the next step we need to divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write m is equals to 0, and the second case is we write m minus 1 is equals to 0. So this is the first root of the given equation which we get here in the first method. And now from here we move minus 1 to the right hand side, and we get the second value of m, and that is equals to 1. So here in the first method we obtain these are the two values of m which we get here in the first method, and in the next step we need to verify that is this value of m be the solution, or is these values of m be the extraneous root. So for verification of these values we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is m divided by m is equals to m, and here in the left hand side we substitute m is equals to 0, and in the right hand side we substitute m is equals to 1. So here first we verify m is equals to 0. So for this we substitute it on both of the sides and we check its behavior, and it will be written as 0 divided by 0 is equals to 0. You see here in the left hand side we will get 0 over 0 form, and we will be usually called that it is undeterminate form or it is undefined form. So if our left hand side is undefined form, this means that both of the sides are not equal, and if both of the sides are not equal, this concludes about that the value of m is equals to 0 is not satisfied our given question statement, and we call that m is equals to 0 be the extraneous root of the given equation. Okay, m equals to 0 be the extraneous root because it does not satisfy our given question statement. And now in the same pattern we need to verify the second value of m. So when we put this value of m on both of the sides, it will be written as 1 divided by 1 is equals to 1, and we have 1 divided by 1 becomes here 1 is equals to 1. This shows that both of the sides are equal, and if both of the sides are equal, this means that the value of m is equals to 1 is satisfied our given question statement, and we finally conclude about that the solution set of this problem is m is equals to 1. So this is the our final answer which we get here from first method. And now we again solve this problem for second method. And now for second method we need to copy down given question statement here, so that our given question statement is m divided by m is equals to m. This is our given question statement. And here our second method with a very straightforward method, and here we quickly determine about the solution chart of this problem. But here we use this nice exponential law, you know about that. If we have x to the power of a divided by x to the power of b is equals to x to the power of a minus b. According to this rule of exponents, you see here the exponent of both of these two terms are 1, and we move the exponent from denominator to the numerator, and it will becomes m to the power of 1 minus 1 is equals to m. And further, in the next step, we have m to the power 1 minus 1 becomes 0 is equals to m. And here we use another rule. You know about that. If you have any number whose exponent is 0, it is always equals to 1. So according to this rule, we write this m to the power of 0 is equals to 1 equals to m. So in the second method, we get only one value of m, that is 1. So in the first method, we already verified that this value of m is satisfied our given question statement. So here we finally concludes about that the solution set of this problem is m is equals to 1. So this is our final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.